ETL, which stands for extract, transform, load. I know it sounds a little technical at first, but trust me, it's very easy once you get the idea. In fact, if you've ever wondered how companies manage huge amounts of data across apps, websites, CRMs, and Excel files, ETL is the process that makes it all work like magic. Whether it's e-commerce platforms like Flipkart, hospitals storing patient records, or banks processing daily transactions, they all depend on ETL to bring scattered data into one place, clean it up, and make it ready for use. So let's break it down. Think of data like ingredients in a kitchen. First, you extract the raw data, like bringing vegetables from different farms. This means pulling data from various sources like databases, spreadsheets, online forms, APIs, or IoT sensors. Then comes transform, where the real magic happens. This is like washing, chopping, and cooking those vegetables to make a delicious dish. In data terms, this means cleaning, filtering, removing duplicates, changing formats like converting date formats or currencies, and even combining data sets. Finally, there's load, where you place the cooked dish on the dining table. Or in this case, you load the ready data into a centralized system like a data warehouse, Google BigQuery, Snowflake, etc., or a dashboard for analysis. Once the data is loaded, teams can generate reports, build machine learning models, or make real-time business decisions. ETL is super useful in solving everyday data problems. Without ETL, data remains in silos. For example, sales data might be in one system, customer service data in another, and marketing data in an Excel sheet. This makes decision-making slow and often inaccurate. ETL pulls everything together, removes confusion, and ensures that everyone in the company is looking at one clean, reliable version of data. Want to know some real-life examples? A retail company might use ETL to collect sales from all physical stores, online apps, and partner platforms. This helps them see which products are trending, where to restock, and which region needs more offers. In healthcare, ETL helps hospitals pull together lab reports, prescription records, and appointment data across departments, giving doctors a full picture of a patient's medical history. Without ETL, companies struggle with delays, confusion, and missed opportunities because the data is either outdated or incorrect. Now let's quickly touch on some powerful tools used for ETL. Traditional tools include Apache NiFi, Talend, Informatica, and Microsoft SSIS. These are used by many large organizations and offer a lot of customization. But in recent years, cloud-based ETL tools have become very popular. Tools like AWS Glue, Google Dataflow, and Azure Data Factory let you build ETL pipelines that are scalable, faster, and cheaper to maintain. These tools also allow automation, so you can schedule your ETL jobs to run every day, every hour, or even in real time. Of course, ETL has its own challenges, such as dealing with extremely large volumes of data, ensuring data accuracy, managing slow pipeline performance, or handling schema changes when source data structures change. But modern solutions like parallel processing, changed data capture, CDC, and auto-scaling in the cloud help overcome these problems efficiently. Many companies are now even moving to ELT, where the data is loaded first and transformed later, especially when they use powerful cloud data warehouses. But the basic concept remains the same. So to sum it all up, ETL is one of the most important processes in modern data management. Whether you're working in finance, healthcare, marketing, logistics, or even education, if data is involved, ETL is working behind the scenes. It helps make data accurate, usable, and centralized. If you're someone getting into data analytics, data science, or business intelligence, learning about ETL is a must. It's the foundation of every good data system. And the best part? You don't need to be a hardcore programmer to learn the basics. Many tools now have drag-and-drop interfaces and visual workflows. So go ahead, explore an open source tool like Talend, or try AWS Glue's visual editor. And who knows, maybe your first ETL project could help your business save hours of manual work. If you liked this video and want more beginner-friendly guides like this, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions about ETL or if you'd like a full demo of how to build one. Until then, keep learning, stay curious, and remember, clean and organized data is the key to smart decision-making.